Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the annotations here are coming from. And the pattern here that I talked about, that bearish pattern, did play out. Problem is, it was never really a tradable pattern because the price just flat out gapped down, and it gapped down below the pattern. So not much could really have been done with it from that point of view. So that pattern has played itself out, but going into Friday, definitely some more key levels to watch. And the first level that really stands out to me, and that, this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you a lot of other people are going to be watching this area, is right here at $730. So $730 going to be one of those areas where longs and shorts and everybody in between is going to be watching, wondering, hey, is this area going to be able to hold, or is this going to be the break point where if the price does drop down below it, the price starts to run again to the downside, which looks very possible given that next level of support, not until down there around the 705 mark. So again, from potentially 730 down to 705, I mean, that's a 25-point move. And on the chart, sure, it doesn't really look like that much space, but I mean, that's plenty of wiggle room there to put together a trade plan to make it worth your time, and whether you're trading the stock itself or, trying to trade some sort of puts and options, a lot of, eyeballs are going to be watching those two levels right there. Now, in the event the price starts to bounce back upwards, key area to watch is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, which you can see today wasn't perfect, but overall did ultimately hold as resistance. And currently that value is at 792, but remember that is a moving average, so that value there is going to move and change around as Friday plays out. But from the trading perspective, the level I'm most curious about is $730, because if that level can be broken, then yeah, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price make another bearish push to the downside. But yeah, we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.